Okay, the virtue of suhur. The virtue of suhur. Okay. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, قال Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, تسحروا. Absolutely do suhur. Okay? فَإِنَّ فِي السُّحُورِ barakah. Because suhur brings a lot of barakah. Who doesn't want barakah? Who doesn't want barakah? And also, it prepares you for your fast during the day, right? You're not hungry, grouchy. You're going to be able to focus on the dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Have more energy to control yourself. If you're not doing suhoor, this is just me saying it, okay? Take it or leave it or throw it in the garbage, I don't care. But if you are not energizing yourself at the beginning of your fasting, then you are really open. You remember we talked about putting yourself in a situation of fitna? Right? You're putting yourself in a situation where you're going to be weak. You might either break your fast because you don't have the energy. You're going to be mean to people. You're going to sleep extra during the day because you're lacking energy. You're not doing zikr, etc., etc., etc. Right? Does that make sense? Do suhoor. Okay? If you miss suhoor, doesn't mean you can't fast. You can still fast, but do suhoor.